Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to be making strawberry ice cream. So I have some strawberries left over from making strawberry shortcake. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put roughly about a cup of strawberries in there. And then I'm going to fill this up to about 2.5 cups. So I got some extra whipping cream left over. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. And then what I want to do, if I had any more liquid, is kind of smash some of my strawberries. I'm just using a potato masher and just mashing a few, and it's okay because I like ice cream that has lumps in it. Alright, so then I'm going to go ahead and pour this up to actually about the 2-cup measure, because we do need to add a 1/2 cup of sugar. Alright, so here's the sugar. Alright. So actually, when you make sugar or make ice cream, it's usually for every cup of liquid or like milk, cream, whatever you use for your ice cream, it's like a 1/4 cup of sugar per cup. So we're just going to do 1/2 cup here. And one more thing I'm going to add is these windmill cookies. And so basically these are an almond cookie. So I'm going to add about 5 of those. Because, I don't know, I just like cookies in my ice cream. Let me put these away. And then you just kind of want to break these up so you can see what I'm doing here. So I'm just kind of breaking them up into smaller pieces. And of course the action in the machine will break them up even further. Alright, so let me go ahead and add these to my mixture. Alright, so all together I have just a hair over 2.5 cups of ice cream mix. Alright, let me get the freezer bowl and we'll start freezing this. And of course, make sure everything is ice cold that you use. Alright, so there's my freezer bowl. Go ahead and pour all my stuff in there as quick as possible. Ooh, I got some sugar I didn't mix very well. That's alright. You know, it's funny. Ice cream is one of those things it's hard to mess up. So I'm not too worried about it. Alright. And it's a little warm in here, so I'm going to go ahead and cover this. Kind of keep the cool air in and the hot air out. So, and this takes 20 minutes. Alright, just checking on my ice cream. how it's turning. And if you ever wonder, what does turning do for ice cream? Well, what it does is it adds air. And so that's one of the factors that makes sure that the milk and cream, that they don't freeze up into a solid block. Because if you just threw all these ingredients together and put them in the freezer, it would just be a solid block of ice. But churning, it incorporates air to make sure that the ice cream has a smoother texture. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes. And with machines like this, you don't want to go over the 20 minutes because the bowl, it loses the chill. If you want to call it that, the chill. But it tends to warm up. So I have a bowl here I'm moving the ice cream to. I guess it's more of a container than a bowl. Alright, so I want to move as much ice cream off the paddle attachment as possible. But you want to work quickly as well. It's like frozen on there. There we go. Now this bowl is very cold, so I can touch it for a moment, then it gets very cold on my fingers. So that's why I like to use a towel. So this is frozen harder than the pineapple banana ice cream I did several, like I guess about 3 weeks ago I did that. But every ice cream has a different texture, you know. So with this bowl though, you don't want to use metal. You always want to use wood or plastic or rubber, because a metal spoon will scratch the surface, and that's not good. You don't want your bowl all scratched up. Alright, so I think that's about all I'm going to get out of there for now. Alright, so there's my strawberry ice cream. I'm going to take a little bite right now, and then I'm going to put the rest in the freezer to what I call ripen. And basically that means it gets a little more solid. Alright, see if I put the right amount of sugar and all that in there. Those windmill cookies add that almond and spice to the strawberry flavor. It's really good. I can't even describe what it tastes like, but it's very pleasant. It's like you get the fruity strawberry flavor, it's sweet, and then it's spicy, and then you get a bit of the almond flavor as well. So there's my strawberry ice cream. There it is, strawberry ice cream. And thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. And I'll see you next time.